In this video, we'll show you how to upload videos to YouTube from your computer. While logged in, go to YouTube Studio. If you're on the channel dashboard, you can click the upload icon in the top right, or you can click the create icon, then upload video. Then choose the video file or multiple files that you'd like to upload. After selecting a file to upload, you can close the upload screen at any point, and your video will be saved as a draft on your videos page. From here, you'll be asked to add a title, description, and thumbnail for your video. You can also add it to a playlist, and you'll be asked to set your video's audience. You can find additional settings by clicking More Options. Once you've added these details, click Next. If monetization is enabled on your channel through the YouTube Partner Program, you'll be led to this section next. You can choose to have monetization turned on or off for that specific video. If you choose to have monetization turned on, you can fill out your ad settings. Once that's completed and the initial processing of the video is done, you can add different video elements like captions, end screens, and cards. There will also be a check step that screens your videos for potential issues related to copyright and, if you're monetizing, ad suitability. With this step, you can become aware of potential restrictions and have the chance to address any issues before publishing your video. Then, under Visibility, you can choose whether you want to publish your video now as public or set it as unlisted or private. Or you can choose to schedule your video for a future date and time, or to set your video as a premiere, if this feature is available to you. Then click Publish if you want your video to go public immediately, Save if you're leaving it as unlisted or private, or Schedule if you want to pick another day and time to publish your video, or set it as a premiere. Thanks for watching!